Hi, I'm Shaye Larkin and thank you for visiting. If you've watched my other videos, you know that I'm a bankruptcy attorney here in San Francisco, and for more than 20 years now I've been helping people file Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 bankruptcy cases. In this video, I'm going to talk about the 1099-C surprise. Here's the situation. You thought your troubles were behind you. All of your debt has either been canceled or charged off or settled or discharged in bankruptcy, and you never hear from your creditors anymore. Until one day you open your mailbox and inside there's a 1099-C form for the IRS from one of your creditors for cancellation of debt. At first glance you may think that's a good thing. Your debt's canceled? Great. But is it really? Let's talk about that. What is a 1099-C? When a creditor cancels a debt, they typically will file Form 1099-C with the IRS in order to write off the loss. But then the IRS turns around and taxes you on it because the IRS deems canceled debt to be taxable income, unless you fall within one of the few narrow exceptions. Let's talk about some of the exceptions. Number 1, bankruptcy. If you filed bankruptcy before the debt was canceled and ultimately received a discharge of the canceled debt, then the canceled debt is not taxable income. You simply need to let the IRS know about your bankruptcy by filing Form 982. Number 2, insolvency. If a taxpayer's total liabilities exceed their total assets, then they are deemed insolvent, and any debt canceled during the period of insolvency is not taxable income to the extent of their insolvency. Number 3, qualified farm debt that has been canceled is not taxable income. Number 4, qualified real property business debt that has been canceled is not taxable income. Number 5, non-recourse loans. What is a non-recourse loan? A non-recourse loan is a type of loan where the lender's only recourse in the event of default is to either repossess or foreclose on the property that's the subject of the loan. A mortgage. If a mortgage on a non-recourse loan results in canceled debt, then that canceled debt is not taxable income. Let's talk now about the Qualified Principal Residence Exclusion Act. This is a law that has been extended to 2020. If your principal residence has been foreclosed, under this act, any debt that's canceled as a result of that foreclosure sale is not taxable income. There are other exceptions to the rule that canceled debt is taxable income. For example, student loan debt that has been forgiven in some situations is not taxable income. There are more, and I'm not going to go over all of them in this video. I've covered the ones that I think might impact you. But the bottom line is, if you receive a 1099-C, you need to let your tax professional know. And make sure that your tax professional is knowledgeable about 1099-C issues, because you definitely want to be working with someone who is qualified to tell you whether you fall within one of the exceptions. That's the 1099-C surprise. Thank you for watching. Watch my other videos and have a great day.